I'll explain to you why after I'm done filming. I didn't really understand it myself, Kelly. You know what I'm saying? Because I didn't think you could use the real deals and something like that because of the private stuff that they have, like the cases and that. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
But it's the other way around. Are you talking about that thing that you usually blow out of in your car?
Uh-huh.
I thought you already had it set up that you can automatically remove it.
I have a date in which it comes out, and that's the 13th. That's the deal.
There might be a time that I might have to change batteries to continue filming. You know what I'm saying? I got my spare batteries in my pocket. Well, it won't be much longer before I can use my shower again.
Gosh, that would be great. Want it?
Yeah, but I used it the other day to see, because he did something, and then I tried it and it still got cold. He said it has to do with the heat of the gauge. It means he's got to put a brand new one now.
Yeah, it's like the thermostat is down.
Yep, that's why he's got to put a new one in, because he had the same problem when he was at home. He had to do the same.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, but